We all know that the worst possible thing that you can do when you're practicing the piano is start at the beginning of a piece of music and keep playing it through. We know you're not going to get anywhere by doing that. When you're on your own in your practice studio, it's sometimes difficult to keep focused. So today I want to share with you the 7-minute problem blaster, and I'm going to accompany you all the way through, literally step by step. But before we start, you need to make sure that you have got the scores of the music that you want to study in front of you. So please pause the video now and make sure you've got them. Here's how it's going to work. I'm going to set you 1 minute, a timed minute, where you have to write down 3 problem areas that you want to work on. And these problem areas can be literally one bar that you're trying to coordinate, or it can be 2 bars that you're trying to get more fluent, or it could be 4 bars that you're trying to improve the velocity of a set of notes. Doesn't matter. But in this minute, I want you to work like mad to write down on a piece of paper so you can tick it off, or on 3 post it notes, the 3 specific problems that you're going to solve. And they have to be specific. Are you ready? Have you got your music and a pen and paper? Off you go. Your 1 minute to write down the 3 problem areas you'll work on today. Go on then. Last few seconds to write down the problems you're going to work on. And so here we go with problem number 1. Really focus practice for 2 minutes. Are you ready? Off you go. You're a quarter of the way through. Keep going. 'Come on, keep that focus. 'Last 30 seconds, but keep it steady. See what you can solve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Well done. Take a breather for a moment. If you need to, pause the video and make sure that you've got problem number 2 in front of you. Again, take a picture if you need to, but just have that bar or bars in front of you. Are you ready to go? Problem solving. Problem number 2. Off you go. Remember not to rush. You're training the brain here as much as you're training the hands. Halfway through and getting nearer to your goals. Last 30 seconds. What can you accomplish if you really put your mind to it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Wow. Take a breather. You're 2/3 of the way there. Once again, stop the video for a second if you need to and get problem number 3 ready and in front of you. Are you ready? Off you go. Doing so well. Quarter of the way through. Wow, you're on your last minute of focus practice. Your brain is going to thank you for it. 'Almost there. Big push for this last 30 seconds. What can you achieve? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. You did your problem solving. If you're feeling accomplished, why not run the process again with 3 different problems? But be sure to come back tomorrow and make sure that you run this again. Save this to your favorites so you know where it is.